This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 2 plus 1. For my sample, I cast on 19 stitches with worsted weight yarn and US size 6 needles. For row 1, you're going to repeat purl 1, knit 1, until you get to the last stitch. And when you get to the last stitch, you just purl. For row 2, you're going to start by purling the first stitch, and then you're going to repeat slip 1 with the yarn in front. So you're just going to slip purlwise and purl 1. So you repeat slip 1 with the yarn in front and purl 1. For row 3, you're going to repeat knit 1, purl 1, until you get to the last stitch. So you just knit 1, purl 1. And when you get to the last stitch, you just knit. For row 4, you're going to start by slipping the first stitch, and you're slipping purlwise with the yarn held in front. And then you're going to repeat purl 1, slip 1. So you just purl 1 and slip 1, and again you're slipping purlwise with the yarn held in front of the work. And you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.